Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to talk about best Apple Watch apps from my opinion. So sit back, relax and enjoy this short little video. So first app in the list is Lens. Well, if you're using an Apple Watch, you might know that you cannot use Instagram in your watch for some reason. So this app helps in getting that. With this app, you can actually browse Instagram through your watch, which is actually pretty amazing. As you can see, you can even like the post from here and also comment on it. And not only that, you can see videos in this too, which comes in your Insta feed. But there are some limitations. First being, you can only access your Insta feed. For sure, you can see your messages, even stories, profile, but for that you have to buy a premium, which for sure is not worth it. It's a trap, just don't fall for it. But it's a good app when you're out in public and you don't want to take your phone out but still wanna browse Instagram. So Lens is the one. Next app on the list is Bear. Now this is a great app. It is nothing but a notes app which is going to take down notes for you from your dictation. You just have to say what you want to take notes of and boom. And believe it or not, interface of this app is so relaxing, like so easy and convenient to use. You just have to open the app in your watch and say your note and there you go. And also all of your watch notes will automatically be synced in your iPhone, which is kind of cool. So if your watch dies, you have all of your notes in your iPhone and vice versa. On number 3, we have Kernel or Kernel. I don't know how to pronounce it, but we all love movies, right? And especially after the trailer, we all just cannot wait for that movie to get released in theaters. So this app lets you do that. It can actually help you to add that movie which is going to release, and then it will show you in your timeline. Like for example, I have added this movie through this app on my iPhone and all of them have synced here, as you can see. And now if you look closely with the name of the movie, it is also showing me the remaining days left for that movie to be released. And if you will press on it, and then it will show you this ring which is going to close as soon as the movie is going to release. So you can take an estimate that how much days remaining. And if you scroll more, you have whole info about the movie right there, like release date, whole info about the cast and what is the story all about. So this is my favorite app in the list and should be yours too. By the way, all the app mentioned in this video are free. Number 4 is kind of an app for cricket lovers. If you love cricket, then you should have this app, Cricbuzz. This is a very famous app, especially in India. But in watchOS, it takes it to the next level. It shows you live score of all cricket matches happening in this world right now. And not only that, if you press on a particular match, then it will show you everything like venue, who won the toss, how much run is left. And if you press on board again, then it will show you the stats and run chart for every single player, which is so damn amazing, especially when you're having matches around the corner where you want to see live updates every second. So this can come very handy, trust me. Next app in the list is Pillow. As you can get some info about the app from its name. Yes, it records your sleep, which is a good thing. It tells you how well you slept, which is a good thing. And also it tells you how deep you were in sleep, how much time you were up in your sleep, how much percentage of sleep you got. But the best thing in this app is that it automatically records your sleep. Like you don't have to go onto the app and then turn it on manually. You can fall asleep whenever you want to and it will record. But make sure to wear your Apple Watch for that. And I did try this and it worked like charm. And also there is this interface of this app which is very engaging too. Like it tells you your deep sleep time, light sleep time, time in bed, and also your average heart rate. Must have app in your Apple Watch, and also it's free, so why not try it for yourself. Last app in my list, I know you must have heard about it. If not, then here it goes, Buddywatch. This app provides you different watch faces like for your Apple Watch, something like this and many more. You can browse through it in your iPhone. Just search your watch type like Series 3 in my case. You will see all of the watch faces. Press on download and then add to your watch and there you go. You can customize the watch face like any other watch face, like putting activity stats, calendar, positioning of the time. You get my point. Try it for yourself. There are a lot of watch faces to go for, especially if you have Series 5 or later. You will not look anywhere else. So do try this app and there you have it. So this was a very short little video, a fun one. With that being said, I hope you all like this video, and if you did, let me know. And again, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye.